All right, y'all. I'm going to put a hot tub in this guy. That's right. I'm going to put a hot tub in my truck. So, there's, like stuff in there. I just put a fifth wheel hitch to pull my trailer, which you saw me rip apart in a previous video. And so the rails are in there for the fifth wheel hitch, and it's all pokey and stuff. So I'm gonna use this to build the hot tub so I can actually remove it, the cover that goes in the bed, and use an old piece of plastic that was over a lift of wood and cut it to length. It seems to be like it'll get right up to the edge right there, not all the way to the top on either side, but yeah, I'm gonna tape it with some Blueskin, which is miracle tape in my opinion. I love this stuff. It's basically tar tape. That's what it looks like, the label. Use it for sealing a house or something, and I'm just gonna tape it along the top, and that should hold it in place. Tape some holes. You can see there's like holes here and there, all over the place. So it's nice because it's a tar tape, so it literally just, as soon as it touches whatever it is, it just seals to it. So it's like solid stuff. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna start. Put it together. Well, there she is, guys. I got it all put in. You can see I put the one layer there, but then there I just kind of pegged them up with a couple little pieces. Same with the back door, because the back door wasn't really a part of it. So I could have put a strip all the way across back there, but I didn't. Probably should have. But there, oh, it's all white. Yeah, I just put like 3 along the back door because then I can just cut them. Open up the back door and let all the water out. Nice and quick. So now I'm going to go fill it up.
Oh, that's probably chilly.
You thought I was gonna hurt myself.
Oh man. Woo! She's cold. I thought it would be a hot tub. What you didn't see was me running back and forth from the house, trying to get hot water in here, heat it up. But hey, this works. We're gonna try to get some heaters in here, but maybe a mosquito net might be nice. But yeah, I don't know, she works. And got the sunset going down. It's actually kind of warm in this suit. And lo and behold, you always gotta have, if I can open it. Abby. That's right. Oh, by the way, it's a warm beer and a cold hot tub. What a life.
Something wrong with that? Cold hot tub? You're crazy.
A beer, the sunset, and a hot tub that is really cold. What can you ask more in this life? Well, see you guys next week.